Panda and Andrew is over here. See that Panda? Panda is over here and Andrew. Panda and Andrew is over here. Panda is scratching his head, his ear. Panda is scratching his ear on the couch.
Ako na talaga ako. Ay, mahulog yan.
Panda is scratching his ear on the couch.
Manapastel.
Panda is over here and Andrew. Panda and Andrew is over here. Nato dia. Nadrio. Ito Joyo. Naog na si Andrew. Andrew and Carding and Cardo is over here. Andrew and Andre is over here. Andrew and Andre is over here. Andrew and Andre.
What? Ano tawag niya?
This is Andrew. Andrew is over here. And oh, Chokoy is over here. Chokoy, we have a visitor. Chokoy. Come, Choco. Choco is over here. Choco is with his father Panda. Choco is with his father Panda. Chokoy. Choco is following my daughter Karil. This is Karil. Has food. Choco is over here.
Uy! Uy, kasakit ay! Uy!
Choco, see that? Choco. Choco is hungry.
Chochoy! What?
Leslie is over there. Leslie is over there. Malayo ba siya dyan? Tumayo. Choco, huwag ka lumapit kay Leslie. Bunti si Leslie.
Alamaan mo! Ay, sipukan. Ikaw,
Okay. This is Andrew. And Andre is already there. Andre. This is Andre. Carding. That's Cardo. Cardo went up. Cardo is up there. See that? Cardo is up there. And Andrew is over here relaxing. And Oreo is over there. Oreo is over there relaxing also. Oreo is over there relaxing. Oreo, you see that? Oreo is relaxing. And Leslie is over there. Leslie is looking at Oreo. Oreo is over there. Leslie is over there. See that? Leslie, the mother of Cardo and Carding. The mother of Andrew and Andre. Oreo is over there. The son of Panda. The brother of Choco. And there's Cardo. There's Andre. That's Andre. Andre is sniffing the floor where his mother came. Andre is the rat hunter. When I woke up this morning at around 8 a.m. when I went down here, I saw a big dead rat here on the floor. And that is the one who did it, Cardo. Andre did it because Andre has killed a lot of mice and rats in our house and outside our house. See that? Andre the rat hunter. And there is Oreo. Oreo is looking over there. That Oreo is looking at Mama Emmy. Oreo is looking at Mommy Emmy. Oreo is looking at Mommy Emmy. See that? Oreo is looking at Mommy Emmy. Oreo is looking at Mommy Emmy. And Panda is here on the floor relaxing. Panda is relaxing on the floor. See that? Panda is relaxing on the floor. Okay? And Oreo is over there. Okay. Good evening, everybody. God bless us all. Thank you.